So are you looking to downgrade the Amazon seller account? In this video, I will explain to you to easily downgrade your accounts by step and do watch till the end as I will be revealing the exact template to send to the Amazon seller support team in case they don't do that. Hello everyone, I'm Sania, an Amazon FBA seller and Amazon coach for 2018. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel where I make the Amazon business very simple for you to understand. So if you want to open a new seller account, find a profitable 10K per month product or rank it on Amazon, then this is the right place for you. When you make a new account, you have two choices of you like want to set up as an Amazon seller account. You can be an individual seller or a professional seller. Sometimes you choose the professional account but you haven't started selling it yet and it is deducting $39.99 from your account. So then you decide that you want to downgrade your account to an individual seller which is free and doesn't cost you. The process is pretty simple. I am going to show you how to do it using some screenshots I'll take from my seller account of mine that I haven't used it from time for the past few years because some obligations. So I'm going to use that and I'm going to show you that. To get started downgrading your Amazon professional seller plan, go to the settings menu on the top right of your Amazon seller account portal. You will see a link that says account info. Click on that link. The account info link will take you to the Amazon seller account information page. On the left side, as shown below, you will see a section labeled your services, which will show you that you are signed up under the professional plan. On the right side of that box is a link that says manage. Click that link. The manage link you clicked in the last step will take you to my services page, which will again list the various Amazon services you are signed up for as a professional seller. Below the explanation of your professional seller plan in the section labeled Sell on Amazon is a link that says Downgrade. Click that link to begin the account downgrade process. After you have clicked the downgrade link, you will be taken to a confirmation page labeled Change Selling Plan. You will need to click on the Proceed button here to finish your account downgrade. On this Change Selling Plan page, Amazon informs you that the changes to your account will take effect on the next billing cycle and that your account will be in a staging status for 120 days, during which time you are prevented from selling or having active listing. They also inform you that your FBA account will also be suspended and they want you to remove any FBA inventory before the billing cycle is up and your professional seller account officially becomes inactive. Amazon obviously doesn't want professional account holders to downgrade their accounts. They lose their monthly fees obviously. So they aren't concerned whether that comes out of your pocket directly or not. So just not helpful. So they have apparently created these account downgrade terms to demotivate people of downgrading. However, you have got to do what you have got to do. If selling on Amazon isn't in your future over the 4 months, downgrading and avoiding the monthly fees is a logical solution. If after 1 week is still not done, then you can email to Amazon seller support. This is the template you can use. You can see on your screen now. Hello, I made an account on Amazon and my inventory has not arrived yet. I made a professional account and I want to downgrade it on the to the individual account. I already tried it by doing it from my account, but it's still been 7 days and it's still not downgraded yet. Kindly please accept my request. I will upgrade once my inventory arrives and start selling on Amazon. Thanks a lot for understanding and giving us the opportunity. Best and your name. Okay, so this is the simple email you can send them. Whatever the reason, you can just put it in the first sentence or in the email and just send it over. With Amazon, you need to be precise and formal. So this template is perfect to appeal for downgrade templates. You can do this on any marketplace. It doesn't matter. It will work for you, no matter it's Mexico, UK, or any other. It will work. I have a set of templates that you can use in your Amazon seller journey, which includes appealing for a new account, suspension of account, ungated category, or trademark verification, or there are many more. So if you want, then do let me know in the comment below and I will send you over. Guys, I wish you nothing but the best in your business, and don't worry, once you downgrade, it won't be like suspending your account, or it won't take you to the some dunk yard. No, it won't. It's just like Amazon is they want to give the fear of downgrading, so it won't matter. Most of my students did that and it works fine. You just downgrade, you can use your Seller Central and just for the learning purposes, and once you're done, once your inventory arrives, you can just change it to the professional account. So it won't be suspending your account and you will have that account, so don't worry. So if you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to my channel and do let me know in comments what is your issue right now, and I will be there to answer. So do watch this video here, as I have taken out the time and did this video for you. So please do subscribe and let me know in the comments below.